If you want to insert your SIM card to OPPO Find X9, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the device where we can find the SIM tray. Over here on the SIM tray we have this eject hole, and we're gonna use the SIM eject tool in order to put it into this hole so that we can get the SIM tray out of the phone. So once you have the eject tool that you can find inside the box, for example, you can put it into this hole and then use a little bit of force in order to pop out the SIM tray. So once the SIM tray pops out slightly, you want to use your fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now over here, you can find your SIM card slot. In my case, I actually have 2 SIM card slots. And now we can insert the SIM card. Of course, we need to match the shape of the slot. So look for this cut part that we have in this case over here. And now we should be able to insert the SIM card into the slot quite easily. Make sure that the SIM card is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. And we can do the same thing with the second card, of course, as well, if you have one or if you can use one. There we go. Once we have our SIM card inserted into its slot, we can of course put the SIM tray back into the phone and push it down with your fingers and make sure that it is fully in and that it doesn't stick out. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.